So here I am in Leticia, Colombia, which is a border town between Colombia, Peru and Brazil. And I'm looking to find a cargo ship which will take me down the Amazon River to a place called Iquitos in Peru. So throughout the night, they'll be continuously stopping, pulling out their spotlight and glancing over bits of land. And every now and then there'll just be like a couple of people just standing there in the dark, holding bags full of stuff to put on the boat. Along the way you stop at small settlements next to the river, which are like kind of shanty towns, and they just offload and unload various goods, like rice and wood and fruit, etc. Initially, I wasn't sure how safe it was on the ship. The first day or two, I didn't really want to have my camera and valuables out in front of the passengers and the crew. And there was an incident between the cook on the ship, who was this big gay Peruvian, and one of the other travellers. The cook just started hitting on this traveller when they were alone at night, and he felt really uncomfortable, and he ended up kind of like hiding from him in his hammock after that. Yeah, and we found like used condoms on the ship deck in the mornings and things like that, and I think all in all it was safe. It's just that it's quite difficult to interpret danger in foreign environments because there's so much unknown and it's a different language, and yeah, you just don't know. That and the ship's crew were pointing out cocaine plantations as we were going down the river. to Belen market, which is a market in Aikido is famous for its shaman / witch market that's there, where they sell like ayahuasca, medicines, dolphin penises, and different kinds of roots and bark and whatever they need for the rituals. And then the wider market's full of like raw meat, fish and chicken, and kind of semi-illegal meat being traded there as well. It's really dirty, really smelly, particularly the lower Belen market, which is like a more poorer, impoverished part. Yeah, it's definitely an experience.
Yo no sé si acá lo harán.
Sí, mira el río. Mira.
No es de los reyes, dice beber vino.
Toda clase. Hay
Porque
dos
suavemente te entra
Por
la
acá.
bebida.
Yeah. I think this is where I want to buy a souvenir.
I think I want to see down there.
Down there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm game. So it's turtle. Yes.
Should I also get my phone?
Tócalo, pero no le toques su alma porque su alma me pertenece. Dice mi hermano mío en las escrituras desde Juan capítulo 1 en adelante, mi hermano mío, y digo, después que ha sido quitado todo, sus hijos han muerto, todito, ha sido quitado sus ganados, ha sido quitado sus ovejas, casa, todito, mi hermano mío. ¿Y sabes qué es lo que dijo Juan? Y dijo, desnudo salí del vientre.
One. Ooh. Don't think there's juice here. Yeah. It's probably worth mentioning there are pickpockets about at these markets, and I would say tourists are the number one target. I'm not sure how many or how frequent they are, but I definitely got a couple of guys tried to pickpocket me when I was there once.
Huevos, huevos.
Other market, different market. Okay, Belen, this is all bigger market, Belen.
Yeah.
This is high, this is a lower market.
Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of stuff is down there?
Maybe not for me, this is more recommended that way here.
Okay.
Yeah, that way here. Or maybe here you want to see the market. This is también the market and the bowl.
And the boat.
Yeah, the bowl. Yeah, the market and the bowls.
Where it is?
Yeah.
Where is it?
And the bowls. You maybe food.
It's all good, eh?
That way.
Yeah.
Or maybe I have both, I have both. You want see, for you want pay me, one here. Yeah.
What do you think?
What's that? Go on a
Like,
boat.
I don't know, like there's a market on a boat, I think,
Yeah.
and he's saying that like if you wanna him to take us on his boat,
You want to
like,
speak for you?
Okay. Or maybe we can come back.
yeah, maybe like
Did it?
we'll walk first and then like if we
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My name is Raúl.
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 Yes, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Jane.
Jane. Okay, Jane.
Jag såg Mirna.
Mirna.
Nice to meet you. Okay. We'll come back and see you. Okay. ¿Estás bien?
Ya estamos frescos.
Ok. Fresco.
Todo. O sea, tener un poco más contacto con el universo, arriba, abajo, todo. No todos los días es ayahuasca también. Por ejemplo, 3 ceremonias de ayahuasca puedes hacer. Los nombres acá, ¿no? Raúl.
sí, el nombre es arriba y
Abajo. Apellido, abajo.
So these are all toilets, I think. And lads over here, where are they? I can't see. They are. They're swimming. Right next to it, and she's cleaning some food next to it. Okay.